Okay, now I'm shooting from my phone and I'll show how it works. Okay.
Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make a die mobile holder for a bike very easily with this kind of very normal selfie stick. So first you need just a selfie stick, normal selfie stick. Secondly, a reflector like this for mounting this. Then a tape for making it tight. Then we are using normal bolt. This is quite old but will work. Then a scissor and then a normal screwdriver. See? Okay, first you need just to out it like this. Okay, just it is west. You can easily. Then first you need to put it out. See? Then you will see this. I just cut it previously because I need to attach it with this. So you just need to put this bolt and round it. Then go to the bike. Okay, so you just need to attach it with this, but there is a problem. If you will tight it, but it will slip because this is quite bigger than this. So I'll just use a normal tape to become tight like this. Just cut it. Then okay, I need to use this pitch of a normal paper, newspaper or any kind of paper, and you need to warp it with this kind of tape, or you can also use any type of rubber to protect from slip. Hey guys, please subscribe because this is a new channel. YouTubing is so quite tough for me because I am not an English person. I am from Bangladesh, so please subscribe and like the video if you like. Then okay, then mount it. Okay, see, this is quite enough tight. Then use it. Just sure it. Okay, this will be like this. Okay, then
Use this screwdriver to tight. Okay. So this is enough tight.
it will not slip surely because see. Okay, then you just need to touch it. Oh, sorry, wait a minute. Okay, we are done. You can also rotate it like this for a nice view. Okay, I am shooting from my phone, and I will show how it works. Okay, see, you just need to up and then fix it, and just like this. Okay, I am okay. Just tight it because okay. See, I this is very tight, and that you need to